URecApalooza, it's essentially like an open house for us. There's a lot of opportunity to recreate as well as just socialize with some people that might have some similar interests. We kind of want to lure them in with some things that might be of interest to them and then kind of educate them on what we do in the rec department. A lot of these students come here and they might not know anyone, and this is a great opportunity to meet someone doing something that you're passionate about. Their main job here on campus obviously is to earn that degree, but we want to have them to have a proper outlet for when their brains are a little bit strenuous, they need a little bit of stress relief. This is a great opportunity for that.